Hi, very good evening, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Right, all of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay, so students, we are in the chapter components of food, right? Okay, so in previous classes, we have learnt about different components of food, about nutrients and the types of nutrients in that carbohydrates, right? Okay, so that carbohydrates is available in two forms, that is simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Okay, so simple carbohydrates are also known as sugars and complex carbohydrates are also known as starch, right? Okay, and we also learnt about proteins also, right? Students, there are five main types of nutrients, right? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Okay. Students, today in this class, I am going to teach you remaining types of nutrients. Okay. So next important components or a nutrients of food is fats. Okay. So like carbohydrates also give energy, right? Okay, so but fats to provide energy to us. Okay, fats provide much more energy than carbohydrates, and they are considered as a storehouse of energy. Okay, so in fact fats provide almost double the amount of energy as compared to carbohydrates. Okay, and fats stored in the body. Okay, so that is in our body, this fats acts as insulation. Okay, and it prevents the loss of heat from the body. Okay, so this fats also helps us to keep body temperature. Okay, and they are found in foods such as oil, butter, ghee, nuts. Okay, so these are the foods rich in fats. Okay, there are two types of fats. Okay, saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Okay, so there are two types of fats, saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Okay, so then what is this saturated and unsaturated fats? Okay, so now let us know about this saturated and unsaturated fats. Okay, and these saturated fats are generally solidify at room temperature. Okay, when we keep this saturated fats in room temperature, okay, it will become solidify. Okay, so butter, ghee, these are the some example for saturated fats. Okay, so when we keep this butter, ghee in room temperature, it will become solidify, right? Okay, and unsaturated fats are generally liquid at room temperature. Okay, so generally when we keep in normal room temperature, it should remains as a liquid. Okay, it will not solidify. Okay, so example for unsaturated fats are vegetable oils. Okay, next important nutrient is vitamins. There are certain nutrients, okay, so that are required by our body in small quantity. Okay, so these nutrients are vitamins. Okay, so these nutrients are called as a vitamins. They are substances with no energy value. Okay, so but are needed every day for achieving good health and proper growth. Okay, so these vitamins keep us healthy by protecting us from diseases. Okay, so fruits, vegetables, milk are rich in vitamins, and vitamins help in various chemical reactions taking place inside our body. Okay, so most vitamins are made by green plants. They are found in many foods, but there is no such food that contains all the vitamins. Okay, so to fulfill our requirements of all the vitamins, we need to eat a variety of foods. Okay, and vitamins are divided into two groups based on the materials in which they dissolve. Okay, that is fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. Okay, and these fat soluble vitamins are before absorbed, okay, food into the blood. Fat soluble vitamins dissolve in fat. Okay, so and then they are stored in our body and used whenever the body needs them. Okay, so that is the reason why we do not need them every day in our diet. Okay, and fat soluble vitamins includes vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Okay, and these water soluble vitamins are dissolved in water and are not stored in our body. Okay, so a continuous supply of these vitamins is needed in our diet. Okay, so vitamin B and vitamin C are examples of water soluble vitamins. Okay,